Hello students, welcome back with the third part of the video, chapter 3, SS, the 6th standard. Students, in the previous video, we studied about the structure, the cities, reconstruction, rediscovery of Harappa, the story of Harappa. Yes, so today we'll learn about the town, the cities. In previous video, we studied about Dholavira. Today, we are going to study about Harappan town in Gujarat, Lothal. Where it is located? It's located beside a tributary of the Sabarmati river. What does tributary means? Tributary means a small river that flows into the main river or to the bigger river that is known as tributary, close to the Gulf of Khambhat. Why it is important? Since Lothal was near a gulf, it may have had a dockyard. Dockyard means for a ship, that is where ships and boats came in from the sea. Goods were probably loaded and unloaded here. So any goods, if they want to take from the far lands, either they will import to the another lands or they will export to the lands. So this was about the dockyard and from the places how they used to take the goods. Talking about Lothal, raw materials such as semi-precious stones were easily available. Important centers for making objects out of stones, shell and metal. These were the important objects that were being used for some of the raw materials. Now, they had all this. If they want to put this raw materials, they had a storehouse in the city. So, many seals and sealings, impression of seals on clay were found in the storehouse. A workshop for making beads were also used. Pieces of stone, half-made beads, tools for bead making and finished beads were found in Lothal. So this raw materials like metals and all was being found over here. Now let's talk about seals and sealings. Seals may have been used to stamp packets and bags containing goods that were sent from one place to another. After a bag was closed or tied, wet clay was applied on the knot. It was being applied on the knot and the seal was pressed on it. But what is the meaning of sealing? Sealing means impression of the seal on clay is called sealings. If the sealing was intact, means not damaged, then one could be sure that the goods had arrived safely. So this was how seals and sealings were being stamped. It was an impression for stamping on the bag to give some finishing goods for the purpose. Then how did this all cities or civilization end up? So that remains mystery. Major changes happened around 3,900 years ago. People stopped living in many of the cities. People stopped living in the cities. But what happened? Writing, seals and weight were no longer used over there. We cannot find that all things again. Raw materials brought from distant lands became rare. It became common over here in this place. And Mohenjo-daro, garbage piled up on the street, drainage system broke down and new less impressive houses were being built. So this is how this mystery was being remained as a same. It was a mystery that we didn't know what had happened, how it was being declined, what was the end of the civilization. So this particular thing was being said as a mystery. It remains a mystery. But why? How come we know about it? Different theories by scholars. Some suggest that rivers dried up. Some suggested that rivers were being dried off, okay, and then others suggest that there was deforestation. What is deforestation means? The trees that were being cut off, okay, and then the land becomes barren. So that we call deforestation. Possible reason for deforestation, what were the reasons? There were fuel was required for baking bricks. For baking bricks it was being required, and smelting copper ores. Grazing by large herds of cattle, sheep and goat. So maybe this also be a reason, because of sheep and cattle used to graze the grass. In some areas there were floods. So this area shows that there was a declination in this particular civilization. Let's talk, but how could we, everything knew about it was an end together? Was it an end together it had happened? None of this reason explain the end of all the cities. Flooding or river drying would affect only some areas. Only some areas there was flooding was being shown off, there was river drying up. Another reason could be the rulers lost the control. If the person has been defeated by someone else, so they lost the control, then they'll go to the other places. They'll not have the same kingdom what they had. So rulers had lost the control. Then we can say, after what effects? What effect were they? Sites in Sindh and West Punjab, that is in present day of Pakistan, were abundant. Many people moved into a newer places, had a smaller settlements to the east to the south. New cities emerged about 1400 years later, and that is 2500 years ago. So this we say that there was everything and together. So this may be the reason, whether it would be the flood had occurred, or maybe drought, or we can say the ruler have lost the control to their kingdoms, or we can say the rivers were being dried off. So this were some of the reason why there was declination in this civilization. Then we'll talk, meanwhile, somewhere else in the world. That means same like Harappan civilization, there were many also civilization that were going on. But we'll talk about over here today is Egypt. Most of the Egypt is dry desert, as you know that, except the area that is the Nile River. 5000 years ago, kings ruled over Egypt. They sent armies to distant lands to bring gold, silver, ivory, timber and precious stone. So what they did was, they sent the armies to the Netherlands for what? For bringing the materials like gold, silver, ivory, timber for their purpose to use. Okay, and they also built huge tombs. Now what are tombs? Tombs are those things, the person who is passed off and they are buried, that is known as tombs, and it's called pyramids. When the kings died, what did they did? Their bodies were preserved, were being stored and buried in the pyramids. So it was being buried in the pyramids. These preserved bodies are called mummies. The preserved bodies may be known as mummies, and many objects like clothes, utensils, ornaments, food, drinks, weapons, animals, and even serving men and women were also buried with the rulers. It means that this system showed that it was a very cruel system. Means with the person, like with the many objects, means with the body they either put clothes or utensils or ornaments or their servants with them. So this system showed that there was a cruel system. And this had among the most elaborate burials known in the world. And so here our chapter ends. I hope students who have understood the concept, study well, stay safe. Bye bye.